What's going on, guys? Chris here with Tactical Outdoorsman, and welcome back to the channel. As some of you may have already heard, I've joined the ProStaff with Riton Optics. So I just received a swag pack in the mail a couple of days ago, so I'm about to do an unboxing video, take a look at what's in here, so let's get into it. Alright, cool. See a couple of hats in here. Pretty cool stuff. Gonna be wearing these. Alright, we got a nice gray Riton ProStaff t-shirt. A couple of black Riton ProStaff t-shirts. Okay. Some cool patches for Riton Optics. Get these on some of my body armor. A couple of stickers. Alright. And then we have some product information. So 2 pamphlets and 2020 product guide. Alright, good stuff. So guys, if you haven't heard about Riton Optics, go check them out. They are a veterans owned optics company, and they're based out of the United States, and they're putting out some quality products, everything from long-range shooting optics all the way down to red dots that can be used on handguns and binoculars. So a lot of cool stuff over there. Head over to their website, ritonoptics.com. Check out all the cool gear. They have a super warranty, no proof of purchase required. If anything goes wrong with any of their products, they replace it with a brand new product. You're not going to get any refurbs or anything like that. Definitely great quality for the money that you're going to be spending. So go over there and check them out. Thanks for stopping by, guys. We'll see you soon.